Yeah, baby. Great ride today so far, but I'm super bummed. I brought my drone, aka drone in. Forgot the blades. I forgot the blades. I can't even fly it. There's a really cool lumber yard. There was a train that pulled up here. I'm super pissed. Oh, makes me mad. Anyway, so what I'm here to tell you is a simple trick that you guys can do for that floating text effect. Believe it or not, it's super easy and quick. Anyone can do it. I'm going to show you how. If you don't know what this effect is, it's one, super easy to do. Literally only takes a couple of minutes to pull off. So amazing and easy. And I recently did this in one of my videos about a week or two ago. It was that cannonball video. I had the floating the text pop up on a scene I was doing. Actually, it popped up several times throughout the video. So all you have to do is just print text on a piece of paper and make sure the text is black, just like this. So there we go, I got this. This is one I actually used in the video. Then all you have to do is hold up to the camera and make sure you're filling the entire frame of the camera with the piece of paper. And then you just move it around, like so. And boop, gone. Practical effect, super easy. And you can also do this with images. I would suggest clip art, such as the cannonball itself. Same sort of deal, hold up the camera, move it around, make it disappear, pop it in. You can get creative with it. Next, I brought it into Adobe Premiere, and then I just dropped it into the timeline, and then I inverted the image. And what that will do is turn the white parts black and the black parts white. And so the reason you're going to do that is because you are then going to go to the blending mode and choose screen, and all the black will disappear and everything that will be left is the white parts, and it looks like floating text in the image. Super easy to do. Anyone can do it, knock it out. So I encourage you guys to give this a try. You can do it in a couple different ways. Like I did it was just holding up to the camera. You could set that down on the ground on a table and move the camera itself. But that is it for today's quick little fun text effect video that is practical. You don't have to have any sort of After Effects or even that much Adobe Premiere experience. So I encourage you to give this a try. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for some of our next awesome videos. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and like the page, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Whew, I didn't know this was an actual road. I thought this was just like a dead spot for like fixing trains or something. There's a railroad track right there. See that, railroad tracks? Nope, cars come through here. I had my bike in the middle of the road. Whoops.